Man versus dog. I mean, come on, people. Come on. Come on. Come on. There are some men that are just so delusional, they have convinced themselves that they can take on any dog. And then they have been so delusional, they might try to convince other men that they are simply just undervaluing themselves. We're not talking about no Shih Tzu or no other small dog like that. Everybody, even a baby can beat a Shih Tzu. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. If a Shih Tzu attack me, I kick it. Simple. But when I think about man versus dog, I am not thinking about no small breed dog. I think about some pit bull and some big dogs that are well trained. Those are the dogs that come to my mind when I think about man versus dog. I personally think I would lose. I'm not gonna just lay down and take it. Pause. But more than that, I'm gonna lose. Maybe I'd win. Like 2 out of 10 times I may win. But nah, I don't like my chances. I don't like my chances. No, give me a weapon. Give me a knife. Give me a machete. Well, those odds go up heavily. You know what I mean? But hand to hand, hell no. I ain't liking my chances. What are your thoughts on it?